DD India's Munmun Bhattacharya spoke with the cast and crew of In Search of the Sky, an Indian film screening at the 50th Toronto International Film Festival. Here are some interesting snippets on the making of the film and director Jitang Sen Gurjar's journey from Gwalior to Toronto. Take a listen.
The 50th edition of the Toronto International Film Festival has begun, and we have with us here the cast and crew of In Search of the Sky. It is the only Indian entry in the centerpiece section of TIFF 50. Let's talk to them. Tell us about your journey. You are someone who hails from Gwalior in Madhya Pradesh. You've come all the way from there to Toronto. How was this journey made possible?
Yeah, I just born in a small town called Dabra in Gwalior. My roots are in villages. I want to tell my stories. And I started making small films in my hometown, and I'm making films in Mumbai. Then Pooja came to me with this particular story. And I was so mesmerized, and now we are here in TIFF.
It all began with me traveling to rural India, and I love to go to these remote places in India. And this is last year, same time. This was one of the trip. And one of my very good friend, he has taken me to a very, very nice shelter home for mentally disabled children. And I kind of spent my entire day there talking to them and emotionally getting connected with them. And it was very strange and very painful when I spoke to the manager, and I was kind of figuring out how these boys and how these people landed up there. So mostly 80% of them were abandoned in the crowded area, deserted. And then I spoke to each one of them, and when I came back home, this entire day stayed with me. And then I started writing, and slowly we created a beautiful team.
अभी तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक सपना है कि मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. अभी भी मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लकी हूँ कि ये फिल्म मैंने की और ऐसा कैरेक्टर मुझे करने का मौका मिला.
The most challenging part was definitely shooting in the Mahakumbh, because we shot live on locations without any production control, without any crowd control. The camera was handled throughout the days on my shoulder, and it was a very lean crew. So shooting in that environment was really challenging, but as a cinematographer it was also a visual symphony for me to be there, to be shooting what we shot there. And I think it's an experience of a lifetime. We are hoping that we will get to release it in a few limited screens, and this film is made for India. It's made for the theaters of India, and we strongly believe that it will really connect with the people of India. So about next year.
About next year, people in India can expect to see this movie in the theaters there as well. And so that was an exclusive conversation with the cast and crew of In Search of the Sky, and with cameraman YK Loknath. This is Munmun Bhattacharya from Toronto for DD India.